Daniel chapter 11. By representation, the king of the north is the papacy, and by extension must include the United States. Good point. And the king of the south is Islam. Well, I would actually go beyond Islam. The king of the south must be more than Islam. Everything that openly opposes the truth and Christianity is the king of the south. So that includes any religious system which is an open antagonist, plus atheism and all the ism philosophies, spiritism, etc., right? And the king of the north is one that apparently embraces Christianity. He takes the place of the king of Babylon, and Rome was called Babylon even by Peter. So yes, this power will wield its economic and political power using the political power of the state. Who's the spiritual leader of the armies of the United States of America, officially? Always the Cardinal of the Knights of Malta, the Cardinal of New York. Currently it is Cardinal Egan. So, yes. As such, would you agree with the events of 9/11 start in Daniel 9 verse 40? Please do a presentation on this in the very future. Thank you. Well, whether it starts exactly with 9/11 or not, I don't think we could go so far as to say that's the absolute start of that event. But at the time of the end, there will be a thrust for this anti-Christian power, this antichrist power, to conquer in its mark and to overthrow all other ideologies without them even knowing it and accepting his mark. It'll be economic legislation. I gave a lecture just the other day. Francie, do you think we should repeat that lecture here because so many people missed it? I hear the rumbling.
Yes. Can we see the hands?
Now,
it will be on Monday.
In San Diego, would they be very upset if I repeated the lecture here for the sake of those people here? You would not be.
Monday evening. Arranged. Carry on.
Okay. All right, Monday evening we have the lecture. I hear the rumbling again, so that you understand where we are in the stream of time. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll do the worst ones later. We have to avoid stoning somehow, huh?
Yes.